Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we bring you the unboxing video of the Skydroid S2. This is a powerful and highly expandable flight controller system, the Skydroid S2. It features rich interfaces and a compact structure, supports multiple receivers, adapts to various drone platforms, and offers flexible and convenient installation and debugging. Product highlights at a glance. Abundant interfaces, functions beyond expectations. The S2 is equipped with multiple interfaces including SBUS input-output, GPS serial port, data transmission interface, CAN port, PWM, obstacle avoidance interface, Type-C, etc., supporting various flexible combinations to fit your play style. Compatible with multiple receivers, broader application. Whether you're using a multi-rotor, fixed-wing VTOL platform, unmanned vehicle, or unmanned boat, the S2 easily supports them all, greatly expanding your usage scenarios. Easy tuning, beginner-friendly. Parameter settings are clear and intuitive. Complex tuning? Not a problem. Just a few steps to complete, maximizing efficiency. Equipped with automotive-grade IMU sensor BM1088. Supports low noise, low drift, strong interference resistance, excellent stability, and is unaffected by temperature fluctuations, enabling outstanding and stable flight controller performance. Supports secondary development and various gimbal function module expansions. Open-source friendly, rich interfaces, suitable for research, developers, and independent projects. Compared to the previous generation S1 Pro, the S2 does not integrate the remote controller receiver with itself, giving users more choices and supporting multiple usual remote controllers. Specifications. Size: 68-47 13 mm, weight 56 g. Operating temperature: -40 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. Operating voltage: 5V plus or -0.3 V. Power input voltage: 2S to 18S. Hardware parameters: main processor CKS32F407. Gyroscope BMI 088. Barometer LPS 22HB. External interfaces: GPS serial port, CAN interface, bus input, Type-C interface, power port, data transmission interface, obstacle avoidance interface, PWM output, SBUS out. Flight controller status light meanings: blue light steady on, unlocked plus not positioned. Green light flashing, locked plus 3D positioning. Red and blue rapid flashing, IMU initializing. Blue light flashing, locked plus not positioned. Red, blue, and green rapid flashing, ESC calibration mode. Box contents: Skydroid S2. Connection cable for H16 receiver. Connection cable for G20 G12 receiver. Power cable. 3M sticker. S2 offers an option equipped with high-precision GPS. It features precise positioning and a compact size, allowing easy installation on various devices. The GPS kit includes GPS module 3M sticker. S2 also optionally provides a high-precision positioning and orientation module. The orientation module kit includes orientation board extension cable, antenna, screws and nuts. .3M sticker. Antenna base. S1-982 module connection cable. 982 module to 915 receiver connection cable. Orientation board. This module supports RTK positioning and dual antenna orientation calculations, with strong anti-interference ability and high positioning accuracy, suitable for various high-precision navigation and positioning fields. As a high-performance flight controller system, the Skydroid S2 excels in interface richness, broad compatibility and user-friendliness, while also ensuring stability and expandability. It fits applications ranging from beginners to professional developers. Whether you are an efficient aerial photographer or require deep customization for research projects, the S2 offers stable and reliable support. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, please follow the World Drone Market channel and leave us your comments. See you in the next video.